guys, welcome back. So today is a very exciting day. I picked up some parts for the S2000 and I've been holding on to them for a while. So I picked up this hardtop. Very exciting, carbon fiber, Mugen style. Very stoked on this, which my cats think it is their bed. So they're gonna be disappointed when it gets put on the car. And when I bought the S2000, I actually picked up a Rollbar the next day. So we're going to be doing that on the S2000. These should all pretty much go together. So let's go out and get to work. Okay, so the other day I already pulled out majority of the interior. Let's see if you guys can tell, but the only thing that's left is just this piece here because I left the seat belts in, so I just left that piece because it was attached. Big pain in the butt, and you have to pull the seats out and whatnot, which is gonna be fine because we have to weld anyways. So all I have left is to pull the seats out, and then there's bolts along the back of the hardtop. Shout out to Sad Boy Garage because I totally watched this video, which was super helpful on how to take this out. So that's great. So gonna pull the seats and then pull the seat belts so that I can pull this trim piece out, because obviously I'm gonna have to unbolt the roll hoops to put in the roll bar. Wow, somebody's saying hi. Where are you? I hear him. Hi. Okay, bye.
I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's so different now. Sitting by the fire as we'd watch the flames burn out. I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them, I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better, and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life.
Both seats are out. I'm working on taking the roll hoops out. So yeah, we're making progress.
You hurt me and ruined my I lost a couple friends on my way up. I took a couple L's, but that's just normal talk. I popped a couple pills, but they don't do much. And now I take Prozac in the morning with some other stuff. But why did I get into this? I feel like this is all a dream. But when I wake up, look around, this isn't even make believe. So I sit in the corner thinking back to...
So we just fit the hardtop on here, doing a test fit before we put on the roll bar to make sure it fits. Now that the roll bar's in, we're gonna put the hardtop over the roll bar just to double check clearances. So the roll bar comes with this bar to put the stock seat belts and whatnot on, so we have to take this piece out because it replaces that. So we're working on that. It's chaotic, everything's happening.
I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life.
we're making progress. This has just become a cluster as it does. I was hoping to make these separate videos, but to be completely honest, that's just gonna be way too tough. So yeah, we installed the Sparcos seats. Well, currently seat, but it is installed, all bolted up and everything. The roll bar is officially welded in. This passenger seat is actually welded to the bracket for the Z4, so we're gonna have to cut that off and then from there weld it on to the S2000 bracket. It's just gonna be easier that way because unfortunately none of the bolts holes line up very well, so it'll just be easiest to weld it again. So gotten the fitment pretty good on the hardtop now. Just going to add a little bit of the weather stripping into here so that in case if it rubs, it doesn't rub the paint off. If you can't tell already, the paint is not the best quality. There's so many chips and whatnot on this car, and just, you know, as far as paint goes, it's not the best paint. But I'm gonna do my best to protect it. As you can see, again, another crack in this paint, but oh well. I'm gonna do my best to protect it by adding in some more weather sealing here so it doesn't rub so much. It's not even perfect yet, but I am so obsessed. It's gonna look so good with the hardtop, the trunk, and then eventually I want a carbon hood for it. Just that way it's like all black up top. That's like my favorite look on JDM cars, is having black hood, roof, trunk, or all carbon in this case, but that look, I just feel like it looks so sleek, so race car. So that is my goal for this car, is to have the carbon trunk, the carbon hardtop, and the hood, and that way it all just flows black back down the back of the car. So I'm so excited, it's already looking so good. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. I am super stoked with how good the hardtop looks. I was going back and forth for a hot minute between if I wanted the OEM style or this style, but I kept leaning towards the Mugen style hardtop. Just what I like, preferably the looks of more, and I'm really happy I stuck with that decision and ended up getting the Mugen style. And I'm so stoked with it. I love how it looks. I'm super excited to have the roll bar and seats in there as well, and I'm just super happy with how this car is coming along. There's so much more to come, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, and I'm super excited to take this car back on track very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.